how to turn off online status in Facebook and Messenger in 2023. Now let's get started. Open your Facebook. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. Now head towards the menu page. At the top right, you will find this settings icon. Tap on it. With that, different sections will appear. Now scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you can find the option of active status. Open it. Now here you can see this option also when you are active. You have to toggle off for this option. Tap on turn off. With that, you are good to go. You have just turned off online status in Facebook. Now heading towards the Messenger, open it. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner, you will find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards the settings icon. Now over here, you will find this option of active status. Open it. Now here you will find this option also when you are active. You have to toggle off for this option. You won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, recently active, or in chat with you. Tap on the option turn off. With that, you are good to go. So this is how you can easily turn off online status in Facebook and Messenger in 2023. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.